Hi guys, this is Rajiv Nedungadi here, and today I'm going to unbox the Blu-ray of Cirque Du Soleil Worlds Away. This is a 2D disc. Here is the back. Let's have a look at the special features. Making Worlds Away, a day in the life of Erica Lynns. Those are the two special features available. Overall 91 minutes. It's got English 5.1, Hungarian, Polish, Russian, Japanese and Ukrainian audio. Subtitles is English, Hindi, Arabic, Bahasa Indonesia, Bahasa Malaysia, Bulgarian, Cantonese, Croatian, Czech, Estonian, European Portuguese, Greek, Hebrew, Hungarian, Icelandic, Japanese, Korean, Latvian, Lithuanian, Mandarin, Polish, Romanian, Russian, Serbian, Simple Chinese, Slovakian, Slovenian, Thai, Turkish and Ukrainian. And it's a fantasy movie. So let's open and see what we have inside. Okay, so here is the disc. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please click on like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.